Namaste, मेरा नाम अनीता है. I'm so happy to be here in India and Mumbai today. The main message that Canada is bringing to India is that we are here to elevate the relationship with India. We have a focus on domestic public security in Canada. At the same time, we are working to strengthen the economic relationship with India across various sectors. Those include AI, energy, agriculture and agri-food, climate and environmental sustainability, as well as people-to-people and business-to-business ties. This is a comprehensive draft statement or final statement that we released yesterday, and we look forward to working with India in the next iterations of the Canada-India relationship. But as I said, there are two main priorities. One is public safety at home, and two is the economic relationship. Namaste. Dhanyavad.